Have you ever had cornbread cookies with whipped honey buttercream frosting? Baby, these little cookies, y'all, they have me in a chokehold. Let's go ahead and make these together. You're gonna love them. They're so good. You want to start by adding your flour into a large bowl. Next, we're going to throw in some yellow cornmeal, a little bit of cornstarch, baking powder, and salt. Whisk this all around until it looks like this right here. Yep. Next, we're going to add a big old chunk of butter into a bowl. Throw in some of that luscious honey. And next, we're going to add in some brown sugar and some granulated sugar. You want to cream this for at least 3 minutes because you want to get it really light and fluffy and creamy. So set that timer, 3 minutes, and it will look like this when you're all done. Super, super creamy like that. Okay, we're going to put in the egg. We're going to add in a egg yolk, just like that. Go on in that egg yolk. Don't be embarrassing me, okay? Get in the bowl. I always try to act crazy when I record videos. We're going to add in a little bit of vanilla extract. We're going to mix this all up until everything is combined. And be sure to scrape down the sides of that bowl. And here is how it should look, just like this right here. Beautiful, fluffy, creamed. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to add in our flour. Do it a little bit at a time. You're going to mix this all up just until you have a nice, soft, beautiful dough, okay? Don't take much. You don't need the mixer. You can do it by hand. Get you a rubber spatula and you're good to go. All right, so we're going to scoop out some of our dough and just roll it into a little cute little ball, and there it is. So cute. I like this part right here, you guys. Now you're going to roll it in cornmeal. I don't know why, but I like that part. It's going to give these cookies a nice little texture. We're going to bake it 350 for about 8 minutes. Let it sit on the pan for about 5 minutes. When you bring it out the oven, it's going to finish cooking. And then place it on a cooling rack. And y'all, this texture, the texture is everything. It's like moist and dense and fluffy, all that stuff. Now, I went ahead and made me some really whipped light honey buttercream frosting. I have that recipe on my site. Go ahead and check it out. You don't need much of it. It's like a small batch version. The bomb diggity. Go ahead and pipe it on, spread it on. You can even eat it plain. These cookies are good without the frosting, but that frosting is kind of like a sweetened butter because it's slightly salty, sweet. It's like the perfect pairing for these cornbread cookies. And you can also drizzle them with a little bit of honey, okay, if you want to just take it over the top. But these cornbread cookies are so, so good. If you make them, let me know how you like them.